How to manage payment methods on Temu application. In this video, I will show you how can you easily manage payment methods on Temu application. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Temu application in your device. Now, if you have not logged in with your account details, firstly log in. After that, click on the U icon from the bottom menu, then head towards Setting. After that, click on your payment methods. In the next screen, you will be able to see the option of Add Card. Once you click on it, you need to provide your card number. Due to privacy reason, you are not able to see the screen. After you provide your card number, you will be able to add that method in your Temu application payment method. So that's it. That is how easily you can manage payment methods on Temu application. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.